authoritative. 3 payments. One morning, no employees, no physical product, no warehouse. Just AI agents doing the work around the clock. This is what a $10,000 a month AI agency looks like in 2026. And today, I'm showing you exactly how to build one. A-Seat 1. Why AI agencies are the biggest opportunity right now. Every business on the planet right now has the same problem. They've heard about AI, they know it can save them time and money, but they have no idea how to actually implement it. That's your opportunity. You don't need to be a programmer. You don't need a team of developers. You need to understand AI tools well enough to deploy them for businesses and charge for the results. The global AI services market is projected to exceed $800 billion by 2030. The business is spending that money. They're not building it in-house. They're hiring people exactly like you. An AI agent agency sits at the perfect intersection of 2 things: massive business demand and a skills gap most people haven't filled yet. The window is open. Let's walk through it. Act 2. What is an AI agent agency exactly? Let's get specific, because AI agency means nothing if you don't know what you're actually selling. An AI agent is a system that takes a task and completes it autonomously. No human doing it step by step. The agent receives an input, makes decisions, and delivers an output. Lead generation agent scrapes, qualifies, and messages prospects automatically. Can be customer support agent, answers questions, resolves tickets, escalates only when necessary. Content agent researches, drafts, formats, and schedules posts across every platform. Operations agent manages workflows, follows up on tasks, and keeps projects moving. Your job as an AI agent agency isn't to invent AI, it's to take existing tools, connect them intelligently, and deploy them inside a client's business. You are the translator between what AI can do and what businesses desperately need done. Act 3. Pick your niche. The fastest way to hit $10,000 a month? Stop trying to serve everyone. The AI agencies making real money in 2026 are not generalists. They are specialists. They go deep into one industry and become the go-to expert for AI implementation in that space. Here are 5 niches printing money right now. Real estate agencies. AI for lead follow-up, listing descriptions, appointment booking. E-commerce brands. AI for customer support, abandoned cart recovery, product copy. Local service businesses. AI for missed call handling, review responses, appointment reminders. Coaches and consultants. AI for onboarding, content repurposing, client communication. Law firms and financial advisors. AI for intake forms, document summaries, client queue, and ABOTs. Pick one. Become the expert. When a real estate agency owner hears you specialize in AI for real estate, you've already won half the sale. Act 4. The $10,000 per month service stack. Now let's talk money. Here's a service stack that gets you to $10,000 a month with as few as 4 clients. Tier 1. The AI starter setup, $1,500 one time. You audit their current workflow. You identify 2 or 3 high-impact tasks that can be automated. You build and deploy the agents. You hand it over with a walkthrough. This is your foot-in-the-door offer. Easy, yes, fast build. Delivers immediate value. Tier 2, AI management retainer, $1,500 to $2,500 per month. You don't just build it and leave. You monitor performance, you optimize prompts, you update the system as their business evolves. You are their ongoing AI department. This is your recurring revenue. This is what builds the empire. Tier 3, full AI transformation, $5,000 to $10,000 project. Multi-agent systems, custom integrations, end-to-end automation of an entire department, sales, support, or marketing, reserved for established businesses ready to go all in. 4 clients on a $2,500 retainer. That's $10,000 a month. Recurring, predictable, and each one took you less than a week to build. Act 5. The tools that power everything. You don't need to code. You need to know your toolkit. For building AI agents, Make.com and Zapier for no-code automation workflows. N8N if you want more control and self-hosting. Relevance AI and VoiceFlow for conversational agents and voice bots. For the AI brain, OpenAI's GPT-4o, Anthropic's Claude, Google's Gemini. These are your engines. Connect them to your workflows. For client delivery and dashboards, Notion for documentation and SOPs. Slack or a white-labeled client portal for communication. Loom for async walkthroughs and onboarding videos. For getting clients, LinkedIn for outreach, Instantly or Apollo for cold email. A simple card or Framer site as your agency homepage. You can run this entire operation for under $200 a month in tools. Your margins are extraordinary. That's the beauty of a service business powered by software. Act 6. How to get your first client. The one question I get, how do I land the first client? Number, simple. You do it for free, once. Pick a local business in your niche, a real estate agency, a law firm, a med spa. Build them a small AI agent, a lead follow-up bot, a missed call responder, anything that saves them real time. Charge nothing. Then document the results, screenshots, time saved, revenue protected. Turn that into a case study. Now you have proof, and proof closes clients faster than any sales pitch ever will. Send 10 outreach messages on LinkedIn referencing that result, not selling, showing. I built this for a business like yours. Here's what happened. 1 yes. That's all you need to start the flywheel. A $10,000 a month AI agency is not a dream, it's a system. A system you build once, refine over time, and scale as far as your ambition takes you. Businesses are not going to stop needing this. If anything, the ones that don't automate in the next 2 years will be replaced by the ones that do. You can be the person who helps them survive that shift and gets paid very well to do it. The blueprint is in front of you. Now build. Thanks for watching. I will see you in next video.